Honorable Minister of Industry, Rajiv Ji, MD KSIDC, Raj Manikam Ji, CEO Technopark, John Thomas Ji, CMD, MyBiz, Rajiv Hasan Ji, ladies and gentlemen, a very good evening. And first of all, I would like to congratulate Raji and the whole team of MyBiz for this memorable beginning and inauguration of various services, lab, and your training programs, etc. I also congratulate all the stakeholders like KSIDC, KSUM, Technopark for making this day come true. It is indeed a proud moment for STPI also, and I am really honored with this for witnessing this event with the august company of eminent guests on the dais as well as who are gathered here. MyBiz has an association with the STPI for last maybe a decade or so, but I got an opportunity specifically interact with Mr. Raji, engage closely with him for about 8 to 10 months now, and I found him as a very forward-looking person with clear vision and passion, and who has achievable objectives and goals in his career. He is an entrepreneur who desires to collaborate with many institutions and many people, and also to contribute to the society. You might have read about his engagement with various institutions. He wanted to collaborate with them and give guidance for making syllabus and helping the students in learning about the forensics. So it is a kind cause, and it is a passion that he has taken it from decades of his struggling in the industry, I guess. Now we all know how this digital technology or the cyber technology has evolved due to the challenges which are put forth by the pandemic, and we have been using all the virtual things, and we work from home or many things, but this has led to more of a cyber crime also, and there is a huge potential or huge opportunity in the field of cyber security and cyber forensics too. It is estimated that the market of cyber security and for cyber forensics put together maybe it's around $500 billion US in next 4 or 5 years. So huge opportunities are there. The good support is there for MyBiz. KSUM is helping them. KSIDC also having a passion to support all the startups. So we surely will see a growing company which are headed by Raji, and we will see a unicorn very soon. Maybe STPI is also supporting in various ways to the startups. I don't want to explain everything here, but my officers are very open and they will be discussing if there is a need. And at the end, I want to congratulate again to Raji and his team and all the stakeholders who made this day come true. Thank you so much.